Acting on specific intelligence regarding an overnight robbery and kidnapping incident, Bishalgarh Police arrested two youths on Sunday morning from the Raghunathpur Railway Station. The detainees have been identified as Payel and Miya. Along with the arrest, the police also confiscated a vehicle used by the criminals during their nighttime operation. The recurring boldness of local gang elements under the cover of darkness has triggered widespread panic and resentment across the Bishalgarh subdivision. Following this latest high-profile arrest, all eyes are now on senior police officials and the state administration to see what systematic actions will be taken to restore law and order and dismantle the active criminal network in the region. Bureau report Chini Khorang.